In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in Google Docs. This is an incredibly useful skill to have as it allows you to emphasize certain parts of your document, helping important information stand out. Whether you're drafting an essay, a report, or even a casual note, knowing how to manipulate your text for emphasis is key to effective communication. Let's start with the first step. Begin by selecting the text you wish to italicize. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, ensuring it's highlighted. This action tells Google Docs which specific text you want to modify. If you have a larger body of text, simply click at the start, hold your Shift key down, and then click at the end to select the complete section swiftly. Now, after your text is selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see an array of symbols and icons that might initially appear overwhelming. But don't worry, we're focusing on just one section today. Look for the slanted I icon. It's located right next to the bold B and underline U icons. These three together form a kind of trifecta for basic text formatting, allowing you to quickly change how your text appears with just a click. The I icon, when clicked, will turn your selected text italic, creating that elegant slant to the text that's universally understood as emphasis. A quick note, especially for those who love keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster method to italicize your text. Simply hit Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on a Mac while your text is selected. This handy shortcut becomes second nature with a bit of practice and can really speed up your workflow. And there you have it. With just these simple actions, you can give your documents a professional touch by italicizing text seamlessly. If the text doesn't change immediately or if something looks amiss, make sure the text is still selected and that your cursor hasn't moved elsewhere on the page. It's a common oversight, but simple to rectify. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with these tools, the more proficient you'll become, leading to more polished documents and papers. Feel free to pause and re-watch certain parts if needed. Don't hesitate to experiment with other formatting options to really make your documents stand out. Keep exploring, keep learning. See you in the next tutorial where we'll continue to unlock more Google Docs tips and tricks together.